Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Attractive Vlogs, How to Say It in Korean. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about the native Korean numbers, also known as the pure Korean numbers. Let's get started. One is hana, ha-na, hana. Two is dul, dul. Three is set, set. Four is net, net. Five is tasot, tasot, tasot. Six is yosot, yosot, yosot. Seven is ilkop, ilkop, ilkop. Eight is yodol, yodol, yodol. Nine is ahop, ahop, ahop. 10 is yol, yol. 11 is yolhana, yolhana, yolhana. 12 is yoldul, yoldul, yoldul. 13 is yolset, yolset, yolset. 14 is yolnet, yolnet, yolnet. 15 is yoltasot, yoltasot, yoltasot. 16 is yolyosot, yolyosot, yolyosot. 17 is yolilkop, yolilkop, yolilkop. 18 is yolyodol, yolyodol, yolyodol. 19 is yolahop, yolahop, yolahop. Remember, just add yol before the numbers 1 to 9, hana, and up to ahop. 20 is samul, samul, samul. 21 is samulhana, samulhana, samulhana. 22 is samuldul, samuldul, samuldul. 23 is samulset, samulset, samulset. 24 is samulnet, samulnet, samulnet. 25 is samuldasot, samuldasot, samuldasot. 26 is samulyosot, samulyosot, samulyosot. 27 is samulilkop, samulilkop, samulilkop. 28 is samulyodol, samulyodol, samulyodol. 29 is samulahop, samulahop, samulahop. Remember, just add samul before the numbers 1 to 9, hana up to ahop. 30 is sarun, sarun, sarun. 31 is sarun hana, sarun hana, sarun hana. 32 is sarundul, sarundul, sarundul. 33 is sarunset, sarunset, sarunset. 34 is sarunnet, sarunnet, sarunnet. 35 is saruntasot, saruntasot, saruntasot. 36 is sarun yosot, sarun yosot, sarun yosot. 37 is sarun ilkop, sarun ilkop, sarun ilkop. 38 is sarun yodol, sarun yodol, sarun yodol. 39 is sarun ahop, sarun ahop, sarun ahop. 40 is mahon, mahon, mahon. 41 is mahon hana, mahon hana, mahon hana. 42 is mahon dul, mahon dul, mahon dul. 43 is mahon set, mahon set, mahon set. 44 is mahon net, mahon net, mahon net. 45 is mahon tasot, mahon tasot, mahon tasot. 46 is mahon yosot, mahon yosot, mahon yosot. 47 is mahon ilkop, mahon ilkop, mahon ilkop. 48 is mahon yodol, mahon yodol, mahon yodol. 49 is mahon ahop, mahon ahop, mahon ahop. 50 is swin, swin. 51 is swin hana, swin hana, swin hana. 52 is swindul, swindul, swindul. 53 is swinset, swinset, swinset. 54 is swinnet, swinnet. 55 is swintasot, swintasot, swintasot. 56 is swin yosot, swin yosot, swin yosot. 57 is swin ilkop, swin ilkop, swin ilkop. 58 is swin yodol, swin yodol, swin yodol. 59 is swin ahop, swin ahop, swin ahop. 60 is yesun, yesun, yesun. 61 is yesun hana, yesun hana. 62 is yesun dul. 63 is yesun set. 64 is yesun net. 65 is yesun dasot. 66 is yesun yosot. 67 is yesun ilkop. 68 is yesun yodol. 69 is yesun ahop. 70 is ilhun, ilhun, ilhun. 71 is ilhun hana. 72 is ilhun dul. 73 is ilhun set. 74 is ilhun net. 75 is ilhun tasot. 76 is ilhun yosot. 77 is ilhun ilkop. 78 is ilhun yodol. 79 is ilhun ahop. 80 is yodun, yodun, yodun. 81 is yodun hana. 82 is yodun dul. 83 is yodun set. 84 is yodun net. 85 is yodun dasot. 86 is yodun yosot. 87 is yodun ilkop. 88 is yodun yodol. 89 is yodun ahop. 90 is ahun, ahun, ahun. 91 is ahun hana. 92 is ahun dol. 93 is ahun set. 94 is ahun net. 95 is ahun dasot. 96 is ahun yosot. 97 is ahun ilkop. 98 is ahun yodol. 99 is ahun ahop. 100 is pek, pek. The pure Korean numbers are from 1 to 99 only. So 100, which is baek, is the Sino-Korean number, also known as the Chinese number. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Inyong!